Pune police have been left red-faced with the DCP Manoj Patil admitting the use of force at a concert in Pune. A case has now been registered against the ACP and an inquiry is on. Let's just go across to Kashif for the details. Yes, Kashif.
Yes, Anand. In fact, the DCP made it very clear that there was excessive use of force used in this Enrique Iglesias concert, which was held yesterday at Pune's Amantora town. And clearly, at that moment, the ACP in charge over there, what we know, he in fact went on a rampage with some of his police officials and hit the organizers of that concert.
Kashif, just wait. We've got a reaction coming in from the DCP. We'll just play that out.
In the Hadapsar police station, entry regarding use of force and legal use of force is been made by ACP Pawar. Application from the organizers has reached me now. Because the application came late, I have ordered an inquiry into the matter and due process of law and legal implications will be followed. See, I cannot jump on the conclusion what has happened, but I assure you whatever legal has to be done will be done.
Kashif still with us. Kashif, it was the DCP who had to intervene, isn't it, to settle cool-down matters after things took a turn for the worse at that concert?
Absolutely. In fact, the organizers approached the DCP after the ACP went on a rampage with his police officials on the spot and started to lathi charge the organizers involved in that concert. And the DCP after that had promised that there would be a departmental inquiry into the incident, looking into exactly what happened and why this lathi charge was allowed by the ACP over there. In fact, in the soundbite what we played right now, the DCP says that he will look into it. He can't at this moment judge as to what were the circumstances, but the sources within the Pune police tell us clearly that the ACP was at fault by using force when not required and beating up, rather lathi charging the organizers at a concert where it was not required to at all. So clearly a lot of these organizers had gone to the DCP, complained to him, and after that a probe has been ordered, and I think sources tell us that there would be some action against the ACP of Pune police.